My name is Chidana Chandrasekhar Redkar. I am from Sindhudurg Savantwadi. My model name is the Future Smart City. It demonstrates that in future the smart city should be like this perfectly. So I am having the 6 models working, which is the smart rainwater harvesting. Here we use the natural filter and we use that water for other purposes than drinking. Then we have plastic to fuel demo. Here we convert the plastic into fuel by pyrolysis method. Then we have the smart soil irrigation. Here we use the soil moisture sensor. When the soil is dry, the pump it goes signal to the pump and then it sends water as much needed. And we use 4 sensors per acre. Then we have solar tracker. As the sun moves from east to west, it tracks it all and it is more efficient and 15 to 20% more power generated from it, and we can get 6 to 7 units daily from it. Then we have footstep generation from the piezoelectric plates. Here we can see that whenever we can walk on over these plates or wherever the cars goes from it, the pressure is generated and the electricity is generated. A monthly 1 to 2 units of electricity is generated. And then we have this smart street lights. When all over the year the sunrise and sunset is not set, so that's why we have made this. When there is night it starts, and when it is morning it's closed automatically. So this demonstrates that in the future the city should be like this perfectly working, and it should be the balance causing the energy is conserved, the waste management is proper, and the city is going more efficiently. So the motto is to make eco-friendly and sustainable city for future tomorrow.